Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the upper spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher. Replacing your spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher is very easy. It doesn't require any tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you'd be looking at replacing your upper spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher is perhaps you're starting to experience poor washability on your upper rack. This would be caused by the spray arm not rotating. And typically what was happening is you may be getting some debris that's come up through the water supply from the pump that's actually plugging the holes in the spray arm, preventing it from being able to rotate. The other thing that can happen is that where it mounts to the little arm below it, that the water comes up through, there may be some wear and it's starting to bind and not rotating the way it should be. So to replace that upper spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher, first thing we're going to do is open our door. Now we're just going to slide out our upper rack and look to where our spray arm attaches to the manifold. We're just going to take hold of the collar of the spray arm and we're going to rotate it in a clockwise direction. You can feel that release, and now it'll just drop off completely and you can take it out of the way. To install your new spray arm, you're just going to bring it up into place to the manifold, rotate the collar in a counterclockwise direction until it snaps into place. Check to make sure that the spray arm turns freely. Slide your rack back into place. Close your door, and it's just that easy to replace the upper spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher.